Yo, it's summer 2020. It is scorching hot outside and there's tons of people floating the river. So me and Autumn are gonna go hop in, go treasure hunting and see what we find. Check it out. Alright, so we cleaned up the phone. It had a lot of algae on it in this case. Pulled the SIM card out so we can leave it nice and open for water to absorb into the rice. And now we're going to put it in rice. Get it nice and submerged. And depending on how long we feel the phone's been in water, we'll leave it in for 24 hours to a week. In this case, it'll be about a week. And we'll see what happens. Alrighty. It's been 24 hours-ish since we put it in rice. It's moment of truth time. We have phone. We have charger. Let's see if we have a working phone. Oh, a rice kernel in there. It works. It works. Alright, so we might have put the wrong SIM card in, so we're going to have to make sure this is the right SIM card. Give us a bit, we'll see if we can find the owner. Okay, so when this phone just first turned on, now it's showing Tuesday, July 21st, which is today. But when it first turned on, it was showing Saturday, which means that whoever lost this on Saturday. We found it on Sunday. So it was probably in the water for about 24 hours. Okay, check this out. I just turned this phone on, and this phone is getting absolutely blown up. This must be the most popular person in the entire world. Oh man, I can't see it. They're getting blown up by their friends or their family. Somebody. We're just going to call one of these numbers and see who picks up. Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, who is this?
Well, my name is Caleb. I found an iPhone in the river, in the Boise River, on Sunday, and I just turned it on, and it's getting like absolutely blasted with text messages, and this is one of the numbers that.
Oh, is it like a girl phone or a guy phone?
Well, it's an iPhone and it's red, so.
I think that's Chloe's. I know 2 of my friends lost their phones in the river this week.
Oh no. Yeah, so this one's red, so do you want to just get a hold of those people? And first off, yeah, I mean, find out whose this one is, and then you can let me know where the other one was lost, so we could probably try to find that one too. We saw a few phones in the river that we couldn't get to, but we could make special efforts if we know who we're getting it for, you know?
Yeah. All right, I'll text them both. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. Just have them give me a call.
Yeah. Bye.
Okay, bye. Update, her mom just came and picked up the phone, so all is good with the world. Alrighty, moment of truth time. Phone's been in rice for about 6 days, found on Thursday. It is Wednesday. As you can see, it's pretty cracked, and it was full of algae, so I'm not holding out too much hope for this one, but let's give this a whirl. Yeah, this one's toast. Disappointing. Oh well, you can't win them all. Bummer.